Want to know how to create an account in Best Buy? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can easily create an account or your Best Buy account. So let's get straight to it. So first things first, you need to open up your Best Buy application. So we have also created a video on how to install Best Buy, so make sure to watch it. So once you're there, on the bottom right side, you should be seeing your account right here, just simple like that. And if you had continued as a guest. So once you have selected account, you should be seeing various options that you can choose from. So right here, you should also be seeing create or my Best Buy account. So again, this is simple like that. So now once I create an account, here you should be seeing something else popping up. So right here, you can just simply select your first name and your last name, and then your email address, your password, confirm it, and then make sure you add your phone number for backup, and then select create account. So once that is done, you should automatically be signed in, and that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos.